Hey guys, Sean Intune Brewing here to give a quick tip on how to verify flow rate when doing a closed transfer. For anybody who's doing these closed transfers where you have the liquid and gas lines jumpered like this, and you have the fermenting vessel or the vessel that you're racking out of should be higher typically. You get a siphon going, but it's hard to tell sometimes if that siphon were to ever stop. And rather than leave this here and come back 2 hours later and find out that nothing transferred, I like to kind of see that there's flow going. So the only way that I've been able to find that really works well, short of staring at the liquid line, which as you can see is not exactly moving so fast, to speed that up and give me peace of mind at all given times, I bust out my trusty grain scale down there and just make sure that that keeps incrementing. I like to throw that dish tub underneath it just to catch any beer that spills as I disconnect or any of those types of things. Keep my scale nice and clean. So hopefully this tip helps. It's certainly not rocket science, but it's one of those little things that has helped me give me peace of mind that beer is doing what I expect it to be doing. Hope it helps. Cheers.